Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Heritage Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a www.heritage.com.au and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Heritage Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on login. Now to get logged in into your online banking account of Heritage Bank, you need to go in for providing your member number. Then you go in for providing your password. If you want to use the virtual keyword to input your password, then you can click on the checkbox. There you can see the virtual keyword. Now here, after you provide both the details, you need to click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Heritage Bank. Just in case if you forgot your member number or password, then you just go ahead and call on this number here highlighted in red, so you will get assistance regarding your issues and how to solve them. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Heritage Bank. Thank you.